population is 3 crores 80 lakhs 90,000 in March 2023. उसके बाद देखिए आधार वाले जो बोल रहे हैं includes, they are saying includes 1 crore 54,346 person in an age of 0 to 18 years age group, and they are saying 26 lakh 30,204 0 to 5 years age group, and 74 lakhs 24,142 in the 5 to below of 18 age group. सर ये आधार है, तो वोटर लिस्ट की तरह क्या आधार भी गलत है सर? No, sir. Sir, that's what I'm saying, sir. But when we see your figures, you are saying कि 0 से लेके 18 तक only 19 lakhs 49,629. And the Aadhaar is saying that in the annual report it's saying, कि 1 crore 54,346. So then, sir, we need to move a resolution in this house and send it to Government of India saying that ये हो सकता है कि आधार कार्ड का भी डेटा गलत है, क्योंकि हमारे सर्वे में हमको सिर्फ और सिर्फ हमको 26,000 मिले थे। ये लोग 1 करोड़ बोल रहे हैं। रेजोल्यूशन मूव करके बोलना कि इसमें फेक आधार कार्ड कितने हैं चेक करो, निकालो, और यहां पर ऐसा ना हो जाए कि कल के दिन किसी को मौका मिल जाए कि यहां पर भी बांग्लादेशी आगे बोलने के लिए। करना चाहिए सर। I come fully prepared, sir. Sir, and also, sir, most important, finance minister साहब के लिए मैं कह रहा हूं सर थ्रू यू, sir, moreover, the state's per capita income for any financial year is calculated on the basis of projected population in the state in that year. Am I right or wrong? So which are you going to take? Which number are you going to take? Your survey findings? Or the figures which are there in the Government of India's report, or your report? What will happen with that, sir? Sir, it will have so many impact. Please, मैं कह रहा हूं, मेरी बात को समझिए, मैं आपको तनकीद नहीं कर रहा हूं, मैं बता रहा हूं कि ये corrections है which we need to do. अब उसके बाद में पहले हम चीख रहे हैं FRBM लेवल कम हो जा रहा, सर लोन्स हमारे हो जा रहे, पर कैपिटा इनकम और GSDP और GDP कैसे कैलकुलेट होगा सर? Please do not take me wrong, sir. Please do not take me wrong. Sir, again, going further ahead, sir, according to 2011, sir, this also might be wrong, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir. Sir, now I would like the Civil Supplies Minister to also rise and give a reply to me. I do not mind anybody, stopping me from saying what I have to and giving a clarification. I'm more than happy with that, sir. Sir, according to the Civil Supplies Department data as on 4th February 2025, today, sir, there are 90,10,845 active food security cards, ration cards, in the state, covering a population of 2 crores 82 lakhs 31,818. Further, the civil supplies data reveals in the district-wise seeding report on the ration card as on date that the ration card holders have a total of 3 crores 89 lakhs 68,524 members. But the claim, now sir, but the claim of 1 crore 7 lakh 36,714 members were rejected. So now if we have to go by the data on ration card holders and the family members, the above poverty line population is only 72 lakhs 45,736 only. Moreover, almost 40 lakhs applications are pending for fresh ration card. This means that the state will have 1.30 crore ration cards if all fresh applicants are found eligible. With an average of 3 members per ration card, the BPL population, the state will be no less than 3 crores 90 lakhs. ये सर आधार भी दे दिया, मैं राशन का भी दे रहा हूं. तो अब आप बोलिए सर कि मैं गलत हूं, तो प्लीज आप मुझे बोलिए कि यस मिस्टर ओवैसी, यू आर रॉन्ग, यू नीड टू करेक्ट. You need to study well, prepare well and come. You should not speak like this. I would really, go back, do proper studying, research and then come back. Sir, this is why I am saying, sir. Sir, and if we have to go further ahead, sir, according to SKS caste-wise population, BC constitute 1 crore 85 lakh 61,856, that is 51.08% of state population, followed by OCs 78 लाख 12,848, ठीक है, उसके ताल्लुक से आप बोल दिए तो मैं ज्यादा इसमें डिटेल में नहीं जाऊंगा क्योंकि आपने जवाब दे दिया है. Similarly, as far as minorities are concerned, there are variations in the data as per. Sir, I will not go to the survey which was done by them, sir. 2011 census and the SKS 2014 and the caste survey, sir. As per 2011 census, sir, the minority Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, Sikh, Jain and Parsis, sir, accounted for a population of 50,01,322, constituting 14.28% of the state population of 3,50,03,674. Sir, now you have given a statement. I thank you very much, sir. You have mentioned about the Muslims, sir. But, sir, we have to talk in minorities, sir. Sir, your statement hasn't given the details of the Sikhs, the Christians, the other Jains and all whoever are in minorities. That is why I was saying. So probably if you include that, I don't know whether it is included or not. Right, sir. So now, sir, my submission to you, Honorable Speaker, sir, is that, sir, why only Muslims? We have to, when we are saying about BCs and talking about giving justice to the BCs में कई सब कैटेगराइजेशन, कई है संगम्स, कई BCs हैं, तो इसी तरीके से माइनॉरिटीज भी पूरे हैं. माइनॉरिटीज में भी मुसलमान है, सिख है, ईसाई है, पारसी है और उसके बाद में जैन भी है. तो मैं चाहूंगा कि उनको भी नहीं sir, we have to think about them because they are also minorities, sir. Sir, when I call myself and say that proudly I'm a minority leader, that doesn't mean that I'm a leader of only Muslim. No, sir, I come here to represent all the communities. I come here to represent the upper class, the backward class, and the downtrodden class, the SC, ST, BCs, minorities, and in minorities, I come here to represent the Muslim, Sikh, Isai, and everybody. And the Congress is for social justice, and I'm sure that the Congress will also think about everybody. So this is why I'm just requesting, sir. Sir, now the state has to go with the caste survey despite the deficiencies in the data, sir. I may be recalled that the Congress government has constituted 2 commissions on BC, namely the Telangana State Commission for Backward Classes, headed by Janab Niranjan Rao, and dedicated commission on backward classes, chaired by Janab Busani Venkateshwara Rao. The task of the BC Commission is to make recommendation on quantum of reservation for the BCs in admission in education institutions for appointment in public service and post in the state. The dedicated commission is constituted to make the recommendation on quantum of reservation for BCs in local bodies, that is Panchayat Raj bodies and the urban local bodies. We may recall that the Congress has committed to raise the reservation in the local bodies to 42% for BCs, 18% for SCs and 12% for STs according to the BC and SC-ST declaration, sir. Sir, now it is very important, sir. Very important, and I hope that probably if the leader of the opposition was here, he would have replied to me. Probably, sir. Sir, now this is very important, sir. Sir, I would like to point out that the BC reservation to 42% may not be a big deal at all, since the provisions are made in Telangana Panchayat Raj Act 2018 for enmarking 34% reservation for BCs in Gram Panchayat, MPTCs, ZPTCs and MPP and Zilla Parishad, and apart from 15% reservation for SCs and 6% for STs, that is overall reservation of 54%, sir. Sir, now when I've given the figure, sir, I have forgotten one important point, sir, so that is why I'm just taking some time, sir. Sir, Honorable Speaker, sir, through you I will request the Honorable Chief Minister Saab and the IT Minister Saab, sir. Sir, we are talking about artificial intelligence. Sir, ठीक है, मैं सिटी में रिप्रेजेंट करता हूं, ज्यादा मैं सिटी में फिरता हूं. GHMC लिमिट्स के बारे में मैं कहूंगा जिम्मेदारी के साथ, सर, ये सर्वे मुकम्मिल नहीं हुआ GHMC लिमिट में. ठीक है, नहीं हुआ. Sir, now you are asking for a suggestion. My suggestion which I want to give is that, sir, we have artificial intelligence tools are there. We can use the artificial intelligence tool. We have the ration card data. We have the total ऊपर हमारे पास जो कितने घर हैं, कितने गलियां हैं, वो जियो रिपोर्ट क्या कहते हैं, assessment numbers, and everything is there. Sir, we can use artificial intelligence, sir, and correct what I am saying and see if the GHMC findings are right or wrong. If I am wrong, आप बोल सकते हैं कि artificial